I'm actually on 5M, and you guys know Roblox kind of got boring, but I still do play Roblox. I play professional communities, but that's basically it. Um, Here, I'm a deputy for the Franklin County Sheriff's Office. Today we're going to be running the E-23 Explorer. Probably going to be driving this for a little while because it is our deputy vehicle and I can get in 2018.
Attention all units, respond code 2.
But, let's get on duty. Up on the radio, we just switched to TeamSpeak. It's awesome, I love the new thing. Let me get in TeamSpeak first.
Connected.
We
Channel
should have a
switched.
lot of people on, so I think it's gonna be really good, nice patrol. You guys on patrol. So we might go assist Riley at 282. It's kind of far away, but let's just go.
We're going to be headed eastbound 283, taking a left.
Government 1, I can send units if you need them.
93 will be soon 37.
226, show me, Alright, updated posting to 285 eastbound. I'm not sure what our plan is. He's a big vehicle. Updated posting to 284.
Columbus Police to Franklin County, can you guys use your Bearcat? Columbus Police, the Ohio State Highway Patrol, can you use your Bearcat?
He's back.
He's going that way now.
Levi's, he's on foot, I believe.
Negative. Two report to that Dublin unit. Back off. I'm gonna try to shoot out his tires.
.604, let's get a unit giving out call-outs. Whoever's secondary should be giving call-outs.
204, I got the back two tires shot out.
Rolling on Steely's, boys. We're continuing past the police department now. Still.
Front left tire is gonna be shot out.
Make room, I'm gonna use the bar.
Oh my god.
204 to that Dublin unit. I'm gonna pass on the right. I'm gonna try to shoot his final tire out.
Easy, easy, he's coming through.
He may back it up. He's backing it up.
He's out on foot. Bail, bail, bail. Orange hat, tan pants, boots, tank top. It's gonna be gray or brown.
Hey, is this your car?
White male.
Is this successful?
Right, hang on. Come over here. I need you.
.604, I think Marysville's gonna have one in custody.
Goodness. Sorry. My ear is bad.
He like ran over my guy.
274.
Yes. Who's primary on this?
It's gonna be Connor.
Kurt
Oh, no, it's
was
actually
there,
Riley.
too.
Riley was the person initially who did the crash.
28-9, gonna be on
Is he coming back?
979.
He's in the game, but they
No,
really
one call.
I don't know what
Hilliard Police, can you come over here to 274 to get your subject?
they're doing burnouts.
It's the lazy way of moving your car.
That's real. Alright, well, he needs to come over here and get it.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get him over here. You're copying your traffic. They're not responding to me over the radio.
Yeah, no. Might be in a different channel, I'm not sure.
Oh, what the fuck? Why does it say he was uncuffed?
I don't know why my radio's lagging. It's great.
One taken off on foot, eastbound 275,
There's
274.
another one?
What the fuck are they doing?
There's another one? There's not another one. There's only one guy.
604 to Hilliard Police. Who are you chasing?
Some lady just assaulted me.
Oh my god, give me a break.
Yeah, I'm not even.
County transport, that motherfucker.
I mean, I literally just came mock Jesus, like,
Hilliard
down
Police does this, dude.
Joshua, like,
Dude, I was all the way down to FCSS.
204, we have
station.
one in
That, like,
custody. I'm headed back to the main scene.
Copy. We got your driver over here in custody at 274.
Copy.
like he hasn't heard us for the past 5 minutes saying it.
Yeah. Who's this? What's up?
Who's that?
I'm making my way over there.
Can't hear you, pal.
I think it's Avery.
If he's trying to talk, we can't.
You're right. It is.
Oh, hey, Avery.
I was just seeing what y'all was doing over here.
Nah.
Big powwow of you all over here.
Yeah.
Just the guy.
Yep,
Yes,
it's your
it's your
guy.
guy.
So listen to
Thank you.
this shit. Fucking Riley's K9 took his cruiser and started driving it around lights and sirens after he crashed. We have it on the recording.
Fuck. That's awesome.
So
I
fair
know.
warning: if you crash, get someone to delete your cruiser or find your cruiser if you have a K9.
That's awesome.
Yeah, my game crashed. I came back at the same spot my game crashed to see if I could EV my car, and it was gone. Next thing
Well,
I know, Avery came up to me and was like, "Hey, is this your car?" And I was like, yeah. And he's like, "Oh, your dog was driving your car around."
Thought he was in trouble. I said, no, I'm trying to figure out if this is actually yours or if this is the script spawning cars and all that kind of shit.
Yeah.
Well, way back when I was a lieutenant over at Dublin, we had who the fuck's shooting? We had a dog driving a car and we got into a chase with it. Me and the highway patrol.
Wow.
It was awesome.
Wow. Hey,
204 to 226.
Steven, I
Can
see you
you
didn't get
come
fired.
down to 274 and pick up the suspect?
I did not.
Honestly,
Alright, I'm going back over here.
county-
Still-
have one suspect
Still
in my
big
car.
dick goofing in Dublin, buddy.
Big dick one. Got
You
it.
goddamn
Did
right.
anyone search
Still the
him?
long dick
Did
of
anyone
justice.
search him yet?
I'm sorry,
Did anyone search the suspect yet?
but are these tourists?
I don't think anyone searched him yet.
Are these Ford Explorer 2016 or 2018, whichever, rims on a 2020?
Yep. Buddy, I work for
He
a
said,
small
yep.
city. You think I can afford new rims?
Oh yeah, in Illinois they got like
Yes, you can.
they have a 2020 with CVPI hubcaps on it. That's stupid.
Yep. That shit's expensive, buddy. I'd be running
Like,
Steelies if I could.
Places on something.
You want to run the Steelies?
No, I already did that. I'm out of Steelies. I'm over it.
How's it going?
That's doing good.
You know what also really gets me is the ones that like the minimum, like really cheap departments that wear like the not wear but use the no hubcaps on the rims. That one really gets me.
Oh, it's your transport for.
Why didn't they take him?
It's bugged half the time.
So I come running over here because I saw someone in the OSP Explorer without a name tag because I have name tags on right now because of some shit. And I'm like, what the fuck? Then I noticed they were trying to transport. All right, bye bye.
See ya.
Any second, they're gonna go poof.
Okay.
All units clear to clear off. Thank you for helping.
Yep, no problem, buddy.
And when are they gonna go poof? Oh, I wanted to see them go poof.
Carry 91, should be back soon with 35. Running times 1 to Hilliard right now, because, you know what, yeah, that scene was pretty good. This video is probably not even gonna be that long, because I really just don't want to edit that much. But it's really just a welcome introduce back video to this channel. Like, I really didn't want to upload a video on this channel, but this is probably the end of the video. We'll probably be back on
I'm
later
still in
on.
service back in the city of
Probably do
Columbus.
some FD stuff too, so yeah. You know, we'll probably just catch up with you guys later on and the other episodes. So, yeah, that's episode 1 of Buckeye Roleplay. See you guys on the next one.